In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find songs by mood on artlist.io. If you're working on a video and you already know the feeling you want, maybe bright and cheerful or tense and cinematic, this method will help you get to the right tracks fast without digging through endless genres. First, open the stock catalog. This is the main library on artlist.io where all the music is gathered, and it's the best place to start when you want a broad view with powerful filters. Think of the stock catalog as your control center. It puts all available tracks in one place and makes it simple to narrow things down based on what matters to your project. Next, click the mood filter. You'll find it among the filtering options near the top of the catalog page, alongside things like genre and other creative tags. The mood filter is especially helpful because it focuses on the emotional tone rather than technical categories. That means you can target the vibe you want, whether it's uplifting, dramatic, calm, or epic, without needing to know specific musical terminology. Now, select the mood you're going for. If your project calls for something bright and energetic, choose happy. If you need something sweeping and emotionally rich, cinematic is a great pick. For tension, intensity, and storytelling weight, select dramatic. You can trust these moods to guide you to tracks that match the feeling you have in mind, from tempo and instrumentation to overall energy. Take a moment here to think about your scene. Is it celebrating, building suspense, or guiding viewers through a heartfelt moment? Choose the mood that aligns with that intent, so the music supports your message naturally. Finally, view the matching songs. As soon as you set the mood, the catalog will refresh and display tracks tailored to that selection. You'll see titles, artists, durations, and useful tags that reinforce the emotional character. Pay attention to descriptors and any indicators of energy level. They help you quickly judge whether a track fits your scene's pace and arc. If the list feels close but not perfect, remember you can return to the mood filter and switch to a nearby option to fine-tune the feel. Small shifts, like moving from happy to uplifting or from cinematic to dramatic, can make a big difference in the way your visuals land. And that's it. Open the stock catalog, click the mood filter, select the mood that matches your project, and view the tailored results. With this simple approach, you'll spend less time searching and more time creating with music that feels just right.